We'll guide you through how to navigate the Asana admin console. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to asana.com, log in with your admin credentials to access the admin console. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for the sidebar on the left and click on the admin console option. This will take you into the admin settings where you can manage your organization's Asana account. In the admin console, you have several key sections to explore. Start with the Members section. Here, you can add new users, manage existing ones, and adjust permissions. You can invite members by clicking the Invite Members button and entering their email addresses. Next, head over to the Billing tab. This section lets you review your current plan, check billing details, and update payment methods. Be sure to review this section regularly to stay on top of your subscription. The Security section is another important area. Here, you can set security policies, such as two-factor authentication, to enhance your account's protection. You can also monitor login activity and manage API keys. If you need to customize your organization's settings, go to the Settings tab. Here, you can configure team settings, set default privacy levels, and adjust branding options to align with your organization's identity. For advanced settings, you might want to explore the Integrations section. This is where you can connect Asana with other tools your team uses, like Slack or Google Workspace, to streamline your workflow. Finally, if you ever need help or want to provide feedback, the Help section offers resources and support